Today I'm going to show you how to paint a strawberry. I use watercolor brushes. Okay, first start to draw a strawberry shape and fill it with red color. I use abstract round brush and water blender brush. You can see the real photo on the top left. Okay, put white color on the top, make it look real. And then put the strawberry seeds with yellow. Okay, and then put the shadow on the bottom part of strawberry. I use water blender brush to blend the color. And next I will make dimension for the seeds by putting white small lines around the seeds. Then blend it. The surface of strawberry has depth now. And next we will make strawberry leaves. I put the base first with green color and then blend it. I use abstract round brush to make leaves. And then put the shadow around the seeds. Use a black color. Okay, after that I will put the shadow for a strawberry. I will put on the bottom. And I use watercolor brush and blend it. And then I will use Gaussian blur. And then the last thing, I will put the stalk for the strawberry. And then it's done.